Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. All those new viewers, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more content on lifestyle, home decor and DIY. Today I'm going to share 5 tips on how to style your shelves. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Clean everything off and organize your items.
Clear everything off your shelves before you begin and lay out everything you might want to use on the shelves. Try to bring in a color scheme. Your room probably has a color scheme already, so just bring that into your shelving as well.
Tip number 2. Start with the large items.
I always find a spot for the largest items first and build from there. Make sure you place the large items in a balanced way. You don't want all of your heavy items to be grouped together. You want your eye to travel through the items, and spreading out the larger pieces will help the whole look come together and feel balanced.
Tip number 3. Add heights and layers.
Now for this, as always, I'm using my books, but they are in colors that doesn't go with my color scheme. So I'm just going to wrap them up using a paper bag, and they're just perfect. Try to use layering wherever you can, maybe like from the front to the back or sideways. And always make sure to use medium-sized items to bridge the gap between the small and the big things.
Tip number 4. Use varieties and work in groups of 3. To get started with this technique, you can always go with the 3 Bs of books, baskets and botanical. It never gets wrong.
Groupings of 3 feel balanced and pleasing to the eye, especially in smaller spaces such as shelves and tabletops. By grouping the items together in odd numbers, it feels more organized and less overwhelming.
And finally, tip number 5. Step back and adjust.
It usually takes me a couple of times to get things how I like them. Take a step back to see how it all looks together and move items around that feel out of place. Look for varying heights, textures and shapes, and make sure items that are similar to each other are spread out. Most importantly, styling shelf is all about your personal taste. So if you feel good about it, just go for it.
Hope you all like the video. Try doing this at home and let me know your comments. And please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.